are you doing? Welcome to this video and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Miss Kenya and you should definitely consider subscribing. Anyway, I'm starting off this vlog on a Friday. I want to go do my hair, go retouch. These are artificial locks, so I want to go do that, make my nails, and also I have a delivery coming in later in the afternoon. I'm hoping that I will be able to show you that in this vlog. I have furniture coming today and I am excited. If not, but I will make sure it's in this vlog anyway. If not, it will definitely be in another vlog. So that is that. This is a very random vlog. Yes, that is that. Let's go to the salon.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the sky.
Hello, how are you doing? I am back from the salon. This is how my hair looks. I did 2 strands on all the hair and then I did a high bun. Somebody needs to deliver me from the shackles of always putting my hair in a high bun, but I love that style too much. Anyway, I am back. My delivery wasn't made today, which is a good thing because I wasn't home. Anyway, it will be delivered tomorrow. I will show you that tomorrow. But before that, I had asked you guys to plug me on Instagram. By the way, you should be following me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, kindly do. I will put my handle on the screen as well as on the comment section below. But it's Terry Kinyua. In case I forget to put all of that information, it's Terry Kinyua. Anyway, I digress. I had asked you guys to plug me on where to get an affordable car vacuum because we needed one. We had ordered one from online, but it wasn't working, so we had to return it. And you guys are amazing. I was plugged and I thought of plugging the rest of you as well. For anyone who might be wanting it, this is it. This is the car vacuum. It's both a dry and wet vacuum. This is it. I haven't actually unboxed it. I got it from Robstar Premium. If it works, I will leave their contacts on the description box below, as well as where else? Description box below. If it doesn't, we forget about it right now. So I want to test it and see if it works. I'm hoping that it does. I'm really hoping that it does. Let me show you. I don't know where this tripod is moving to. Let me show you how it looks. And I got it for 3,000 and I had gotten the same for 3,000 online. It comes with this. I don't know what that is. We will see. And then this is the vacuum. I'm hoping that you can see it's handheld. And this one will make our work very easy because we want to be cleaning our car by ourselves. This is it. So I think we will just try it and see. And it comes with a manual, you guys. So the things that I'm saying, I don't know what they are. It comes with a manual. So let's try it and see if it works. I'm hoping that it does. I'm really hoping that it does. So let's do that. So as you can see, it works. So I think I will leave contacts on the description box below. It's a nice one. So yeah, that is that. I will see you when I am doing what? When my delivery arrives. Or when you see me. Yeah, I'll see you when you see me. Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm hoping that you're doing well. Welcome back to this vlog. I don't actually remember when the last day I filmed was, but today is on a Monday. Actually, today is on Valentine's Day, so belated Valentine's Day wishes, because you are definitely going to be watching this video much later on, and this video has taken a 360 turn because I was to show you furniture in this video, but I have decided against it. I will show you something else. And I am taking tea because I love tea. I love tea, and also I want to gain some energy to clean. Actually, the item that I'm going to be showing you is related to that. It's a vacuum cleaner. And even before I show you that, I have a bag here. Yesterday we went on a road trip and we came late, so I didn't even unpack this, so I might as well unpack them now, show you what they are and show you the vacuum cleaner, because I intend to use the vacuum cleaner to clean today. But let me show you what these are. The first one is this. I really wanted to get a small glass dish for salads when we are just the two of us, and I love it. I got all of these items from Quick Mart. This dish comes with a lid. It was going for 500 Kenyan shillings, and you guys, look at that, and the ring light is showing, but that's the size. I love it. And the rest are just things that I needed for the house. Flip-flops, because we didn't have any in the house. Another pair of flip-flops. I loved these two colors, black and white. And a showering thingy, because we need to replace that. And this is a body scrub, apricot. Yeah, that is that. I think I will just show you the vacuum cleaner. I am excited to use it and to try it fully. I had tried it, but not entirely. I did that at night, so I think I will just show you. It's there. That is why I'm looking there. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner from Ramtons. Let me show you that. I had to come to this side to be able to show you the vacuum cleaner better, and it's here. I think I had already told you that it's 21 liters, wet and dry, so I think I will just go ahead and show you what is inside. Of course, it comes with a manual with directions for use. It comes with this hose pipe for vacuuming. I will show you that later. It comes with this tube, and this one is extendable. Comes in handy when you are vacuuming a large area. I like that about it. The rest of the items are in here, so let me show you that. I am hoping that that is okay. So this is it. As you can see, it comes with a handle, great for carrying around the house. The handle is nice and smooth for portability. Comes with this. This is the power button here, and then these ones are for locking, so you just do like that, to the other side, and it's open. Also comes with this very long cable, which makes it convenient for using for the whole house in a large area. So we open in here and see what it comes with. So I was trying to vacuum the carpet, so it's not very clean. This filter, this one that it has on, is for using when you are vacuuming a dry area like floors, carpets and such. If you are vacuuming an area that has water, you change the filter to this one. This one is for wet vacuuming. So it comes with those two filters. And then in here we have the brushes. The first one is this one, this brush. This one you use when you are vacuuming a dry area, floors and carpet. And it comes with this button in here. If you want to use the brush, as you can see, it has a brush there. If you don't want to use the brush, if you want to use the brush, these brushes in here, you close the button. If you don't want, you just do like that. So brush, no brush, but of course with a carpet a brush is vital. So this is the other brush that it comes with. This one is a sanction for using when you are vacuuming a wet area, an area that has water. It's actually a sucker for water, that one. And then it has these two other brushes. This one is for upholstery, vacuuming seats, coaches, and things like that. And then the last one is this one. This one is a combined nozzle. As you can see, it has a brush and it also has this side for sucking. This one is for using on areas that the others can't get into, like corners of a house, very tiny areas. You brush the dust off, you vacuum. And then lastly we have these are wheels. You attach them here if you want the mtungi, this one, to move around, and I like that about it. So I think I will just demonstrate. I'll show you how each of these brushes work. It comes with this for floors and carpet, water sucker, upholstery, and the combined nozzle. So let me show you how it works and also show you how to connect all of this one and this one. So I'm hoping that you're able to see here. Sorry about the situation going around. My carpet is actually due for cleaning. So up here is where you use if you are wet vacuuming. Here on this side is where you use if you are dry vacuuming. So what you do, this hose pipe, if you are dry vacuuming, you put it here. This thingy here should be here. Same as this one should be there. You just make sure it's there, but we will start with dry vacuuming. So you just insert the pipe. If you are not vacuuming a large area, you can actually use it as it is. This one is for controlling air pressure, I think. So this is the brush that I showed you for vacuuming carpet, seats. If you want to use the brush, you close this one. If you don't want the brush, you open it. So you just plug it in there, and that is that. If you are not vacuuming a large area, if you are vacuuming a large area, you might need this one. So you just put it in there. If you want to extend, you just do like that, but I don't think we will be using it, so let me just remove it. And then I had told you that this one is the power button, this one, and I think it's on. So what you do, you just press it in a little bit. You can add the pressure, or what is it? You can add all minus. So I'm going to pour a little bit of this on the carpet so that you can see how it works. You try and remove them.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
So guys, that's it. The vacuum cleaner is pretty much simple to use. I haven't used another vacuum cleaner like this one, but the manual, is it called the manual? I think the manual was pretty simple to understand. As you have seen, I have tried all the brushes and I love it. Actually, I want to clean. I won't include the cleaning footage in this video because I don't want it to be too lengthy. I want to remove the carpet right now, I'll take it to be cleaned, and then I will clean. I might film that. Actually, I will film that. So that's it. Give this video a thumbs up, comment on the comment section below. Let me know any question that you have about the two vacuums. Remember, I got a car vacuum too. Yeah, any question that you have about the two vacuums. This one, we got it from Naivas, and that's it. I will see you in my next video. Remember to like this one. Bye.